FUSIONPLEX Intense Repair Conditioner instantly helps to protect against breakage due to combing and mechanical damage. Detangles hair, leaving it smooth. With silk amino acids. Net WT, 250 milliliters. Top reviews from the United States. Silky smooth hair. All I could say is, this is a great product. Hair feels like silk, and smells good. I see tremendous difference with one use. My hair is colored and tends to be dry. But with one use, I feel the difference. Great product. Love this product. It's thick, creamy, has a nice scent. Leaves my hair silky shiny without being too heavy. Over time my colored hair is in great condition.